Introducing Renogy RV Solutions. These are not singular products that you have to figure out. These are complete energy systems that have been planned from day one to work together. Solar panels, chargers, batteries, inverters, cables, fuses, mounting brackets, and monitoring, all put together into one pre-matched solution for you. The goal is simple: less compatibility questions, more usable energy, and easier install. The Go Far solution is used for everyday essentials, like device charging, refrigeration, and lighting, and everyday comforts for weekend trips. The Go Further solution is for higher demand setups, so think full working days with Starlink, trying to stay comfortable in hot summer afternoons, and longer time between hookups. So here's what the build actually looks like. You mount the main components, follow the numbered connections on the master map, and use the guided installation videos anytime you want a visual. Each part is labeled and the steps stay clear. Once everything is connected, your system is live and you can monitor power in real time from the Renogy app. When every component comes from Renogy, support is simple. One team, one system, everything to make sure that your system fits and works for you.